Yes, finishing for the haircut and color for my customer. Oh, ganda niya. Oh. Okay, kanina maganda, ngayon ang ganda-ganda niya. Otro day, otro day. Otro?
Huh?
Aywa. Papikit-pikit, pa-cute-cute ba? Cute-cute. Yes. Aywa. Wow. I love you all 3 times a day. Wow, very nice haircut and color. Yes, all right. Here in Spa Salon. MS Spa Salon. MS Spa Salon. Wow.
Salamat Ate Alice for the best haircut ever.
I love you, Dai. I love you 3 times a day.
3 times a day. Wow. Thank you, Ate.
God bless.
God bless.
Yes, mahaba ang buhok niya. At saka inayos ko kasi alam niyo na, parang maging new look siya. Love you.